What's up, everybody? Thank you for coming back to the channel. Well, I just wanted to end 2022 the right way, and that's by talking about a lot of my encouragement and hope for 2023. Now, like a lot of you, my last couple of years were really full of challenges and uncertainties, but it was also full of a lot of moments of hope and positivity. A large part of that was becoming a father.
Good morning. So, my period's been late, and this morning I decided to take a pregnancy test. They are both positive. So I'm just waiting for David to get home. Let's see his reaction to being a daddy. Guess what?
What?
I'm pregnant.
No way.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Yeah.
As some of you may know, my son was born just over a year ago, and it has been an absolute joy watching him grow and develop into his own little person. From his first smile and laugh to his first steps and words, there has been so many special moments that has filled my heart with love, hope, and joy. It is amazing to see how much he has changed and grown in just one short year, and I cannot wait to see all of the amazing things that the future holds for him. Becoming a father has become one of the greatest joys of my life, and I am so grateful for the opportunity to be a part of my son's journey. Being a first-time dad and running a videography business can be challenging and an overwhelming experience. On one hand, as a new father, you're responsible for the care and well-being of your child, which requires a lot of your time and energy. This can be especially difficult if you're also trying to run a business, as it can be hard to balance the demands of both roles. On the other hand, running a business requires a lot of focus and dedication, and it can be tough to maintain the same level of commitment when you're trying to be a good parent at the same time. It can be difficult to find the time and energy to devote to both roles, and it can be a struggle to meet the demands of both your business and your family. Additionally, being a first-time father can be emotionally and mentally draining, as you're learning how to navigate the responsibilities and challenges of parenthood. As we close out this new year and look ahead to a new one, I am filled with hope and excitement for all the opportunities and adventures that lie ahead. As a father, my greatest joy is being able to watch my son grow and learn, and I'm motivated to be the best role model that I can be for him. As an owner of a business, I am determined to accomplish all the tasks and goals that I have set for myself and to make the most of every day. I'm so grateful for the love and support of everybody in my family and even in the social media community. So as we close out another year and look forward to a new one, I can't help but to feel hopeful for all the possibilities that lie ahead. I'm motivated to tackle any tasks and challenges that come my way. And I'm especially grateful for the joy and fulfillment that comes from being a father to my son. Every day is a new opportunity to make a positive impact on the world, and I'm excited to see what the coming year brings. So here's to a bright and prosperous future. Thank you so much for watching, and until next year, y'all have a good one. Peace out.